All right, what it do? I'm here. I'm gonna tell you about this app right here. If you download it, I believe you get $5 worth of crypto. That's what I got. And then if you download the 100 bucks and you invest it, you're gonna get $10 free in Bitcoin. Yeah, and right here it says you get 5 in free crypto. Set up a recurring buy of $50 or more and get $5 after your second buy. So after your second buy, you get another 50 bucks. But anyways, what I did today, I went here, and what I like about this app is that it's giving you rewards to earn crypto. And what you can do with that, I mean, you could cash out and then you could take the money if you want, or you could just leave it in there and invest. So for example, this is the portfolio that I have here. I have a Weeble. And that's where I started my Stellar Lumens investing, and I have others. There's a link in the description for this, for the Coinbase and for Weeble. So you can download it. It's gonna tell you right here. I got 98 cents from there. Then I got $1. This is what I received. So basically, I'm gonna go here. I got like 10 bucks in the Stellar Lumens. I really like Stellar Lumens. I think it has some future in it. Also like USD coin, but I could talk about that in another video. I'm gonna tell you, where is I'm trying to see. Oh, here it goes. I think this is it. Let me see. Well, it doesn't show. I don't see where it shows my other. Let me see. I think I gotta go back. Let me see. Well, let me see. Your AdSense is right here. Oh yeah, this one. So they have rewards for this. Basically, you watch a video, and then if you get the answers right, then you receive. For this one, it's all different amounts. For this one, I got $2.98. So I did that one and that one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and earn more money. Well, I'm gonna try. Right now they have this one. Wait, that one is earn rewards when you own. No, that's not it. Let me go. There it goes. So right here, this is the home page. It's gonna tell you CILO, and right here is gonna say it's an open platform for digital payments, which I think that has some future in it too. So right here is telling you what is CILO platform, and you earn two worth of it once you complete it. So I'm gonna go to it and let's see if we can get $2 worth. Wait. Where's the sound? Oh, okay, there you go.
Zoe. She's tech savvy, always connected, and gets everything done on her mobile phone, like shopping for groceries, hailing a ride, or catching up with friends. If money could be this convenient, accessible, and borderless, what could it do for Zoe, her community, and the world? This is Cilo's mission, to empower Zoe and the 6 billion smartphone users worldwide with accessible financial tools that allow them to unlock the benefits of blockchain technology and stablecoins right from their mobile devices. No bank account or additional hardware required. Using the Cello platform and the first stablecoin supported on the platform, Cello dollars, Zoe can send funds to a friend or family member globally as easily as sending a text message. She can also contribute to causes she cares about, or even provide a microloan to her favorite small business to support them. Since Cello is mobile-friendly, Zoe can send funds straight to a mobile number, even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet yet. Cello makes this possible through a number of technical innovations. First, an on-chain public key infrastructure links phone numbers to public keys, so there are no long, complicated crypto wallet addresses to manage. All Zoe needs is her phone number. Second, the Cello platform is fast. Blockchains are known for slow speeds, requiring nodes to download gigabytes of transaction history data before exchanging funds. Cello eliminates the need to verify all previous transactions and allows instantaneous verification of the blockchain using advanced ZK snark cryptography. This gives the Cello platform a 17,000x reduction in the amount of data needed to sync with the network, allowing Zoe to easily make a payment or send funds within seconds. Third, Cello dollars, the first stablecoin that can be sent directly using just a mobile phone number, allows Zoe to make fast, low-cost transactions on the go. They can even be used to pay for transaction fees, unlike on other platforms. Finally, Cello also works across different carriers and countries, enabling access to financial services from almost any mobile phone in the world. And since Cello is an open platform, any organization can use, contribute to, and build on top of the technology to create mobile-first financial solutions that can be accessed by any mobile phone user like Zoe. By making cryptocurrencies easy to use, Cello aims to support greater access to financial tools and services, helping to create new opportunities for individuals and communities worldwide.
That's pretty convenient. I think that's going to be pretty good. Alright, let's take the quiz. How does Cello give greater access to financial tools? Select the answer to earn $2 in CGLD. Da, da, da. Let's see if I paid attention. By keeping Bitcoin safe in a secure wallet, by offering a credit card in 11 countries, by providing secure crypto loans, by rewarding shoppers for everyday spending, by generating profits through Ethereum mining, by making crypto accessible on mobile phones. I think it's the last one. Let's see. Yes! See, I earned $2 of CGLD, and it goes straight to your portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Download the link. It's right there in the bio. And I mean, altogether is around 32. I think it was like 32, 34 bucks. I mean, just for sitting here doing some videos, it's a good deal. All right, let's start it over.
Lesson number 2. What is Cello? This is Cello. Cello is native asset. It's the core utility, reserve, staking, and governance asset for the Cello community. Everyone who owns Cello gets a say in how the platform evolves and grows over time. And this is the Cello dollar, the first stablecoin on the Cello platform. Its value tracks the US dollar and is built for accessibility and ease of use. Cello, alongside other crypto assets like BTC and ETH, serves as a reserve asset for stablecoins, like the Cello dollar, that run on the Cello platform. Cello has a fixed supply and a variable value related to the total value of stablecoins in circulation in the Cello ecosystem. It also plays an important role in the platform's stability mechanism, which adjusts its supply of stablecoins dynamically in order to keep their price as close to the target value as possible. This is done automatically and is publicly verifiable, eliminating the need for a central authority to make estimates on how the supply should be expanded or contracted. As demand and usage of Cello dollars grow, Cello's value may rise as the protocol buys Cello to place into the reserve. The protocol can then use this Cello to buy back Cello dollars during a contraction. In a nutshell, Cello's value depends in large part on the ongoing usage of the platform and the stablecoins over time. Additionally, Cello functions as a staking asset for Cello's proof-of-stake protocol. This means that Cello holders like Zoe can support the security and growth of the platform by staking Cello to elect validators. By voting for trustworthy and secure validators, Zoe helps to ensure transactions can run smoothly and securely on the Cello network. Zoe can also use her Cello to help shape the future of the platform by voting for new features and new stable assets, or proposing her own changes to the platform's operational or economic models. One of the first proposals voted into effect on the Cello platform helped to enable carbon offsetting, making the Cello blockchain one of the first carbon-neutral platforms. This is just one example of how a mission-aligned community like Cello can make an impact, building on the core principle of making the world a better place through innovative financial tools and technologies.
Sounds exciting. Alright, let's take the quiz. What are 3 things Cello is used for? Select the answer to earn 2 more. Privacy, reward, and discounts. Gaming, e-sport, no. Security, cryptography, and escrow. Bank transfers, international wires, and ACH. File storage, encryption, and retrieval. Staking, governance, and stability. This one's a little more. Let me see if it likes me.
Lesson number 2. What is Cello? This is Cello. Cello's native asset. It's the core utility, reserve, staking, and governance asset for the Cello community. Everyone who owns Cello gets a say in how the platform evolves and grows over time.
There you go, $4. I made $4 like within what, a minute? It's a pretty good deal. So I got $4 worth in Cello. So let's go to number 3.
What can Cello dollars do? Price volatility can be one of the main obstacles for people like Zoe who are thinking about adopting cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrencies to be practical for day-to-day use, users need to know that the value of the crypto they sent is exactly what will be received. Existing stablecoins aim to solve these problems, but some can have slow networks, usability issues, and high barriers to entry for the average user. This is where the Cello platform is different. Built specifically with ease of use and accessibility in mind, Cello dollars allow Zoe to make use of a stablecoin that is practical and cost-efficient for many day-to-day use cases, and can be accessed from the convenience of her mobile phone. Like other stablecoins, Cello dollars reduce volatility risk for everyday people like Zoe by following the price of the US dollar. But since the Cello platform is built to be mobile first, Zoe can transact with Cello dollars on any mobile phone using an application that is compatible with Cello. One example is Valora, a global payments app that allows Zoe to easily pay, send, and store Cello dollars on her mobile phone. Valora makes use of the full functionality of Cello dollars in the Cello platform, allowing Zoe to send or receive funds from anywhere in the world within seconds, securely, and with very low fees. With traditional international payments, Zoe might have to wait hours or even days as intermediaries process the transfer, incurring many fees along the way. As Cello is digital and doesn't rely on payments being manually processed, transferring funds essentially becomes borderless and instant. Zoe can send funds directly to anyone, anywhere within seconds, just by using their phone number. This works even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet. This is great for Zoe, since she needs to send funds to her mom in Mexico right away. Since Valora is a mobile app, all Zoe needs to do is download and set it up, top up her balance with the required value, and enter her mom's mobile number to be able to send the payment. Once Zoe sends the funds, her mom will get a text message letting her know that she's received a payment. Zoe's mom, who is new to using cryptocurrencies, can use the provided link to download the Valora app and claim the 100 Cello dollars that Zoe sent. Amazingly, all of this happens in a decentralized way, using smart contracts that live on the Cello platform. Cello dollars were designed to help unlock the benefits of stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, and sending money across borders is just one of the uses that Cello dollars can fulfill for Zoe and her mom quickly and directly. Alongside the Cello native asset and the family of applications built on top of the platform, Cello's ultimate goal is to innovate around the way we use money, making it borderless, easy to use, and accessible for all.
I know the answer, but hey, that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go with using the Valora mobile app. Two more. That's $6. Let's go. Uh-oh, I think my internet. Well, I guess I'll wrap it up here. I'll finish the rest in a while, but I mean, if you haven't invested in crypto, or if you have, even if you have, this is a pretty good app to download and, you know, just get free crypto, really. Get rewarded. So once again, the link is below. Just like the video. That way, you know, we can spread the word. And thank you.